Today is the day to learn our alphabets. A is for apple, apple. A is for ant, ant. Apple and ant both start with A. Let's say the sound and play today. B is for ball, ball. B is for bat, bat. Ball and bat both start with B. Bounce and hit, as fun as can be. C is for cat, cuckoo cat. C is for car, cuckoo car. Cat and car both start with C. Come on kids, let's learn with me. D is for dog, dog. D is for duck, duck. Dog and duck both start with D. Quack and bark so happily. E is for elephant, elephant. E is for egg, egg. Elephant and egg both start with E. Let's clap and learn, it's easy to see. F is for frog, frog. F is for fish, fish. Frog and fish both start with F. Hop and swim, it's fun, yes, yes. G is for goat, goat. G is for guitar, guitar. Goat and guitar both start with G. Strum and bleat, come sing with me. H is for hat, hat. H is for house, house. Hat and house both start with H. Wear your hat and play in your space. I is for igloo, igloo. I is for ice, ice. Igloo and ice both start with I. Cold and cool, we can touch the sky. J is for jump, jump. J is for jelly, jelly. Jump and jelly both start with J. Let's jump and play and have a fun day. K is for kite, kite. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. Cunt and kangaroo both start with K. Fly and hop in the bright sun ray. L is for lion, lion. L is for lemon, lemon. Lion and lemon both start with L. Roar and squeeze, the story will tell. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for moon, moon. Monkey and moon both start with N. Swing and shine, it's fun again. N is for nose, nose. N is for nest, nest. Nose and nest both start with N. Sniff and rest, let's begin. O is for octopus, octopus. O is for orange, orange. Octopus and orange both start with O. Splash and peel, let's go, go. P is for penguin, penguin. P is for pencil, pencil. Penguin and pencil both start with P. Slide and draw, come along with me. Q is for queen, cuckoo queen. Q is for quilt, cuckoo quilt. Queen and quilt both start with Q. Royal and warm, we love them too. R is for rainbow, rainbow. R is for rocket, rocket. Rainbow and rocket both start with R. Colors and stars will go far. S is for sun, sun. S is for star, star. Sun and star both start with S. Shine and glow, we're at our best. T is for turtle, turtle. T is for train, train. Turtle and train both start with T. Slow and fast, they're fun to see. U is for umbrella, umbrella. U is for unicorn, unicorn. Umbrella and unicorn both start with U. Cover and sparkle, we'll have fun too. V is for van, fan. V is for violin, violin. Van and violin both start with V. Drive and play, it's so easy to see. W is for whale, whale. W is for wolf, wolf. Whale and wolf both start with W. Swim and howl, that's what we'll do. X is for X-ray, X-ray. X is for xylophone, X-ray and xylophone both start with X. Shine and play, they're both complex. Y is for yellow, yellow. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Yellow and yo-yo both start with Y. Spin and shine, let's reach for the sky. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zipper, zipper. Zebra and zipper both start with Z. Stripes and zips, it's fun, you'll see. Now we've learned from A to Z. Let's sing the sounds and be happy indeed.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.